Welcome to this Getting Started guide to creating Speedo style gauge charts in Excel using the Airt Magic add-in. In this example we're going to input a gauge here to show the actual margin versus planned. Once you've installed the Airt Magic add-in, just click on the Airt menu option. Select the cell where you want the chart and data to be input. This doesn't need to be where you want the final chart to appear. In this case, I'm keeping all the chart data in a single sheet. The chart requires a block of cells 7 columns by 7 rows. Click on the gauge option. Decide if you want higher values to be red or green. In this case we want green. The add-in creates the chart and data. In our example, we want the midpoint of the chart to be the planned gross margin. So we can link the gauge mid to the planned gross margin figure on the income statement. Let's make the maximum of this gauge 400. And the pointer value we want to be equal to the actual margin. You can amend the coloured portions of the chart. Let's make the red portion 40%, orange 20%, and yellow 0. Changing the number format of these cells will also change the number format in the chart. You can make changes to the chart as you wish. For example, move the midpoint marker or delete it altogether. Let's copy our chart as it is into the income statement. Thanks for watching this Getting Started guide to the Speedo style gauge charts. Check back for more in-depth instructions. If you haven't already done so, download the Airt Magic add-in